Hey guys, it's Chogo Guy from the Chogo Guy podcast, and today I'm going to take you to one of the crew cabins. I know that everybody is curious, how does it look like, yung typical crew cabin ng isang crew member? So I'm taking you to one of the crew cabins here on board Celebrity Edge. One of my friends said yes to show off his cabin. Alright, so let me take you there now. Ay, di pa ako kumatok, bukas agad.
Welcome!
Ayan, that's Herman.
Hello!
So from here guys, ito yung door niya. So yung sa door, meron siyang peephole. So yung peephole, pwede nyo i-check kung sino yung andun sa labas. Yung tao ba sa labas. Ayan. So may peephole tayo dyan. Yung sa doorknob, meron tayong electronic something for yung parang pinaka-card nyo, tatap dito sa labas, tapos magbubukas siya. You have your switch. Ito. You have your switch. May switch din dito. This is for the restroom. Yan, para sa restroom. So, meron tayo ditong mga lagayan ng mga gamit. Ito. Kung mahilig kayong mag-hang ng mga kagamitan. That's nice. This is nice. And then, meron din tayong lagayan dito. Pinaka-shelf ito, no? Where you can put your things. Ayan, may Vicks. Pinoy na Pinoy. Pilipino ba yung kasama mo dito?
Oo, Pilipino.
Ayan. Then, you have your desk para ikaw ay makapag-prepare ng mga bagay-bagay. If you want to read, if you want to write. Tapos, dito, meron tayong mga saksakan. You could always plug from here. Ito siya, American plugs tayo dito sa barko. American plugs. You also have a light here para may, pag nagbabasa kayo, pwede kayong and may switch din siya dito. Meron. And you can always, we use magnets here kasi bawal magpadikit. So, yung magnet, ginagamit namin dito kung kailangan namin ilagay ng mga notes, schedule, kung kailangan mong ma-remind sa sarili mo. So, we have a cabinet. Isang cabinet. So, tig-isa kayo ng side. Ayan. Ayan. May vault tayo dito. So, kung mayroon kang mga things that you need to hide, if you have money, mga valuables, pwede mong gamitin to, and then may lock ito. And here, you could also put your personal stuff there.
We have decided this is his and this is mine.
Okay. So, naghati sila. So, sa kanya to, dito sa'yo. Okay.
And we decide this one this is mine.
And
This is his.
pauwi na kasi si Herman, guys. Sana all. Tapos, meron tayong fridge. Ayan. So, maganda dito. Kasi may mga barko na walang ref. Dito, merong ref. Pwede bang buksan yung ref?
Yes.
May something ba sa loob? Post dinuli. Ayan. So, there you go. That is our fridge. Tapos, tingnan natin ang ito yung bed. Yung sa bed, saan yung sayo dito?
This is mine.
Sa baba. Okay. Usually talaga yung paalis na sila yung nasa bottom bunk. Ayan. Tapos meron talaga siyang mga anong tawag niya ito? Mga magnets. Dadalhin mo to sa Pinas.
Yes.
Ayan. So, those are the things na meron dito. Ayan. Sa bed. Tapos may ilaw ka ba dito?
Yes.
Ayan. There you go. And meron pa rin siya dito sa baba. Ano to siya?
Nalagyan din ng mga damit.
Damit din. Maraming compartments yung room na to. They're very good.
But I'm not using this one.
Tapos ito siya, chair lang.
Chair. Lagayan ko ng labahan.
Okay, sorry. Okay, labahan siya. And last but not the least, let's open our bathroom. Ayan, sige. So, ito yung bathroom ng cabin na to. At least you have a spacious one. You have your shower. May lagayan dito ng kanilang mga shampoo, sabon. Ayan. Tapos, syempre, the toilet. Okay. There you go. Tapos, meron din sila ditong medicine cabinet. Ayan. There you go. Ta-da! Ayan. Ayan. So there you go, guys. So that's the short tour of a crew cabin. Ayan. Maraming salamat.